Factoring, good. Factoring is 1. What's another one? Yep, good. I'll take that. Vertex, which is the completing the square. The third one was like your favorite one. It was easy. The box method is the factoring. I love if you think that one's easy. It's good. That's what we're doing today. It's called taking square roots. Those are the ones that were like, you had to just do like backwards PEMDAS, and they were pretty simple. That's when we talked about the plus or minus. The last and final one, I promise there's no more, it's just these 4, is quadratic formula. It's our rite of passage in math. Everybody learns the quadratic formula in high school. Your parents did, your grandparents probably did. Okay, before we finish it out, we're going to use what's called the discriminant, okay? If you have a hard time with your multiplying, especially with negatives, you're going to want your graphing calculator today, okay? So remember, in standard form, we have our ax squared plus bx plus c. Just so you know, the capitals and lowercase don't matter. I just have really bad handwriting. And so a lot of times my A's and 2's look alike. So I always write in caps with the A, B, and the C, just so you know which ones I'm talking about. But there's no difference between the upper and the lowercase. Does that make sense? I just am trying to fix my handwriting. Okay. So the discriminant is this value, b squared minus 4ac. So it's a number we can find from a standard quadratic, and it's going to help us determine something, okay? So first, let's find a. What's a for this first problem here? It's the number in front of the x squared, 1. If it's invisible and it's multiplying, it's 1. Okay, what's the b? -8, good. And the c? 16. So I'm going to set up my discriminant and put everything in parentheses so that when you type it in or figure it out in your head that you're not messing up your negatives. So b squared minus 4 times a times c. Now I want you to actually find me that number. You can use your calculator, or you can use your head. I got 0. Anybody else get 0? Yeah? Okay. I'll give you a second to finish trying it. Okay, let's try another one. What's my A for this one? Okay, what's my A for this one? -5. And my B? And my C? Okay, good. So now we're going to plug it in here, and we're going to find the value of our discriminant. Hey, Troy, what's that?
Can I get a couple more of those AP workbooks from that?
Oh, yeah. If those are my keys, but I'm very organized, as you can tell. Which usually means I had TAs organized, and I don't know where anything is. Thank you. So in a second, we're going to go through, and I'm going to teach you, based on the type of number we get from the discriminant, what it tells us about the quadratic. But first, we're just practicing finding it. What'd you guys get for this one? Anybody get anything for this one?
21.
Yep, 21 is right. Okay, do the last one on your own. Oh, that should say equal 0, not plus another 0. Did you guys, sorry. They're on the same key on the keyboard, so you know it's super confusing, right? Do. All right.